in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can open the voice command, how you can open the Siri, as you can command through voice. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the setting. So as you can see, it has an option for the setting. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, the setting will be open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to go to this option which is called accessibility. So let's click on this. And now simply we have to click on this, and now we have to scroll down, and here you will get the option for the voice control. So let's click on the voice control. And after clicking on this, as you can see, here's an option for the enable voice control. So I have already enabled it. If you want to disable it, then you have to simply disable, you have to click on this. So as you can see, I have disabled it. So simply I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, it will ask us for the password. So we have to provide the Apple account password. And after that, it will be verified. So if you want to check out the commands, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the commands, and you will be able to see all the commands here that what it will work. So I'm going to click on the done, and it's done. So in this way, you can use this option. So I hope you guys understand this video, and that how you can open the voice control. So see you guys in the next video.